Welcome to GC Reddy Technologies. I am GC Reddy. I have nearly 20 plus years IT industry experience. I worked as a manual tester, automation tester, automation using WinRunner, QTP, next advanced or latest version of QTP, UFT, now Selenium. Okay, I worked as a manual and automated tester. More than 15 years experience of software testing, more than 20 plus years of IT industry experience. What about remaining? I worked as a developer also. Developer. I know C, C++, Java, Python, Perl, etc. languages. Okay. By watching this video, Selenium multiple choice questions and answers, by taking my explanation, you can get more awareness on Selenium tool. Whether you are a fresher or experienced person, you must get some knowledge on Selenium test tool. First one, Selenium doesn't support dash to write programs. It is development terminology. Our software terminology is test scripts, or you can say test cases. Actually, test case is manual testing term. For automation, we use a test script, but in Selenium test environment, official term is test case only. Selenium test case, correct term. Suppose if it is UFT, formerly QTP, there no test case term, test or test script. But in our Selenium test environment, test case is the official term. You can call Selenium test case. Okay. Selenium doesn't support dash to write test cases. Java, no. Selenium supports Java. Kotlin, Selenium supports Kotlin. VB script, yes. Selenium doesn't support Visual Basic Scripting Edition, lightweight version of VB. VB script from Microsoft. Selenium doesn't support this vendor language, commercial language. Selenium supports Java, Kotlin, next Python also. Python, Ruby, JavaScript, but Selenium, C# also. Java, Kotlin, Python, JavaScript, Ruby, C#, 6 programming languages. We can use any one of those languages, but our Selenium doesn't support VB script. See, another tool in this category, functional automation, functional test automation, UFT, Unified Functional Testing, formerly Quick Test Professional, QTP. That UFT supports VB script, but our Selenium doesn't support VB script to write test cases. Second one, dash is not a Selenium component. Selenium IDE. See, according to Selenium official website, selenium.dev, Selenium is not a single tool. It is a suite of test tools. In this suite, we have some tools, Selenium IDE, Selenium Grid, WebDriver. Otherwise, you can say Selenium components. Selenium components are Selenium suite of tools. The Selenium IDE, it is a Selenium component. It is a tool of Selenium suite. Maven is not a Selenium component. Maven is build automation tool for Java projects. First of all, Maven is not test tool. Selenium IDE is Selenium component. Maven is not Selenium component. Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid is Selenium component. Next, WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is Selenium component. Here, Dash is not Selenium component. Maven. Next, third question. Dash doesn't support test design, means creating test cases. Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE supports test design and execution. You can create test cases in Selenium IDE and execute them. Next, Selenium RC, outdated tool. Now it is removed from the latest version of Selenium. Selenium RC supports creating and executing test cases. Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is powerful tool in this Selenium suite. It supports both creating test cases and executing the cases. Next, Selenium Grid. Yes, Selenium Grid doesn't support test design. It's only for test execution. It can execute Selenium WebDriver test cases in parallel, means Selenium Grid for parallel testing, means only for test execution. Next, fourth question. Dash doesn't support programming. Selenium IDE. Yes. Selenium IDE. I think no programming. Selenium RC supports programming. And nowadays it is outdated. Selenium WebDriver supports programming. Supports nearly, not nearly, exactly 6 programming languages. You can use any one of those languages. Next, Selenium Grid. In Selenium Grid, no writing test cases. So no meaning of supporting programming. No meaning of supporting programming. Selenium RC supports programming. Selenium WebDriver supports programming. Selenium IDE, no programming. Selenium Grid, here no meaning of supporting. Why? Here no writing test cases, only executing test cases. Next, what is test NG? NG stands for next generation. Actually, test NG. It is a unit testing framework for Java applications. The primary purpose of test NG is unit testing of Java projects. Ours is secondary purpose. We use TestNG as test runner in our Selenium testing. Okay. What is TestNG? TestNG is software, open source. Okay. Is it programming language? No. Test tool? Yes, unit test tool. Build automation tool? No. Testing framework? Yes. Testing framework, or you can say test tool. It is unit test tool. It is unit test tool, or you can say testing framework. TestNG. It is inspired by JUnit and NUnit, and he added some new functionalities. TestNG for unit testing of Java software applications. But in our Selenium test environment, we use TestNG as test runner. Ours is secondary purpose. Remember, TestNG was not created for Selenium. TestNG was created for Java. Okay. What is the use of TestNG in our Selenium testing, Selenium test environment? We use TestNG as test runner. That is high level. In it, when it comes to detailed explanation, TestNG for creating test batches, prioritizing test cases, grouping test cases, next executing test batches, and generating test reports. Our Selenium WebDriver doesn't have built-in result report facility. Using TestNG, we can generate test results. Okay. Next, what is Maven? Maven. Maven is a build automation tool for Java projects. That is primary purpose of Maven tool, but ours is secondary purpose. We use Maven in our Selenium test environment for test environment setup and maintenance. Without Maven also we can configure test environment and maintain the environment. But if we use Maven, is an optimized process. Automatically, it can configure Selenium and maintain the test environment. Okay, what is Maven? Programming language? No. Test tool? No. Build automation tool? Yes. Testing framework? No. Maven, it is a build automation tool for Java software applications. Java developers use Maven for build automation. Next, Dash supports parallel test execution. Selenium IDE doesn't support. RC, it doesn't support. Selenium WebDriver doesn't support parallel testing. Selenium Grid, yes. Selenium Grid, one of the component of Selenium, supports parallel test execution. Next, Selenium IDE supports Dash browser only to create and execute test cases. See, earlier, Selenium IDE was supported only Mozilla Firefox, but latest versions of IDE supports Google Chrome also. See, actually, Selenium IDE is not an independent tool like UFT, RFT, etc. It is a browser plugin. It is a plugin. Nowadays, some 5 or 6 years ago, we had browser plugin only for Mozilla Firefox. Now, we have Google Chrome plugin also. See, Selenium IDE plugins available for Google Chrome browser and Mozilla Firefox browser. No Selenium IDE plugin for Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Opera, Safari, etc. browsers. Okay. What is Jenkins? Continuous integration tool? Yes, it is CI, continuous integration tool. See, DevOps engineers also use Jenkins in DevOps environment. Next, continuous integration tool. In our Selenium test environment also, we may use this Jenkins tool, open source tool, for integrating development and testing processes. Next, functional and regression test tool? No. Mobile test tool? No. Testing framework? No. Jenkins, CI tool, continuous integration tool. Next, Dash is the use of Firebug in Selenium. Firebug, it is Mozilla Firefox plugin. Earlier, we used this plugin for inspecting elements of inspecting web elements or web application elements, edit box, button, checkbox, image, link, etc. Nowadays, no plugins required. Every browser is having built-in developers tools to inspect elements. It is for 4 or 5 years back, we used Firebug plugin. What is the use of Firebug? Programming? No. Inspecting elements? Yes. It is Mozilla Firefox plugin for inspecting web elements. Parallel testing? No. Cross-browser testing? No. Next, Dash is an advantage of Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver, powerful tool in Selenium suite of tools. WebDriver, single word. Selenium WebDriver was initially developed at Google. Okay. Bash is an advantage of WebDriver. Supports web applications only. It is not advantage, disadvantage. Okay. For example, UFT supports desktop applications and web applications, but our Selenium supports only web-based applications. Means it is not an advantage, drawback or disadvantage. Next, no built-in result report facility. It is not advantage. It is not an advantage. Open source, yes, it is an advantage of Selenium WebDriver. Inexpensive, okay. No IDE, it is disadvantage. Next, 12th one. Bash is a disadvantage of Selenium WebDriver. See, nowadays, Selenium means Selenium WebDriver only. Why? In our Selenium suite of tools, we have 3 tools. Earlier 4 tools: Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. Next, Selenium RC removed from latest versions of Selenium. Now we have 3 tools only in this Selenium's tool suite. What are the 3 tools? Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid. In these tools, Selenium IDE, it is browser plugin, prototype tool. It is not suitable for complex test design. It doesn't support programming. It is a lightweight tool. So eliminate that Selenium IDE. Next, RC, already removed from the tool suite. Next, Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid only for test execution, not for test case design. So you can eliminate, not eliminating, you can use that tool for parallel testing if required. Next, we have only tool, powerful tool, supports programming, various browsers, various operating systems, is Selenium WebDriver. It is for creating and executing test cases. So nowadays, Selenium WebDriver, both are almost same like. Okay. Bash is a disadvantage of Selenium WebDriver. Cross-platform is not disadvantage. It is an advantage. Open source also advantage. Parallel test execution also actually Selenium WebDriver doesn't support parallel test execution. With the support of TestNG framework, we may conduct parallel testing using single computer. If it is Selenium Grid, we can use multiple computers and distribute the load. Supports, 4th one, supports web-based applications only. Yes, it is the exact disadvantage of Selenium WebDriver. It supports web-based applications only, doesn't support desktop applications. Limitation. Next, Selenium supports computer web applications and desktop applications. No. Mobile native applications. No. Mobile web applications. Yes. Mobile hybrid applications. No. Selenium supports computer web applications and mobile web applications. Next, Selenium IDE doesn't support recording. Selenium IDE supports recording. Next, batch testing. Selenium IDE supports batch testing. Programming, yes. Selenium IDE doesn't support programming. Test execution. Selenium IDE supports test execution. Means Selenium IDE doesn't support programming. Next, Selenium WebDriver doesn't support recording. Yes. No recording facility. No built-in recording facility in Selenium WebDriver tool. Batch testing. It supports batch testing. Programming, WebDriver supports programming. Test execution, WebDriver supports programming. Answer is Selenium WebDriver doesn't support recording. Next, 16th. Dash is the built-in feature of Mozilla Firefox browser to inspect elements. Firebug is not built-in, it is plug-in. Firepath, it is also plug-in. Page inspector, yes, it is built-in feature of Mozilla Firefox browser to inspect web elements. POM, page object model, no. Page object model is built-in feature of Selenium WebDriver. Selenium. Next, 17th one. Dash is not for functional test automation. Selenium is for functional testing. UFT, formerly QTP, UFT for functional testing. Silk test for functional testing. RPT, IBM RPT, rational performance tester. Yes, this is not for functional test automation. This is for performance automation, performance test automation. Next, 18th. Dash is not a performance test tool. Load runner, Micro Focus load runner is a performance test tool. UFT, yes, UFT is not a performance test tool. Silk Performer is performance test tool. RPT, IBM RPT is performance test tool. Rational performance tester. 19. Dash is a bug tracking tool. Dash is not a bug tracking tool. Bugzilla is bug tracking tool only. Mantis is bug tracking tool only. Cucumber is not a bug tracking tool. Cucumber is BDD tool. Cucumber supports behavior driven development. Cucumber tool supports acceptance testing. Bughost is bug tracking tool. So Cucumber is not a bug tracking tool. It is acceptance test tool. Next, 20. Dash is not a mobile test tool. Appium is mobile test tool, open source. Mantis, yes, Mantis is not mobile test tool. It is bug tracking tool, I think. Silk mobile test tool. Renorex mobile test tool. So Mantis is not a mobile test tool. Next, Dash is not a test management tool. HP ALM, application lifecycle management, not HP. Now take over by Micro Focus. HP, old vendor. A Micro Focus ALM, application lifecycle management, formerly Quality Center. ALM is test management tool only. Jira is test management tool only. TestLink, test management tool. Sahi is not test management tool. Next, Selenium supports Dash testing level. Unit testing. Selenium doesn't support unit testing level. Integration testing. Selenium doesn't support integration testing level. System testing, yes, Selenium supports functional testing in system testing level. What about acceptance testing? Selenium, we can use Selenium with Cucumber integration for conducting acceptance testing, but basically for system testing. Okay, next, which is the most common way to find an element on a page? ID, XPath, CSS selector, name. All are selectors. In these selectors, first priority goes to ID. It is quicker in locating elements. Next, TestNG stands for test next generations. No. Test next generation. Yes. Test new generation, no. Test new generalization, no. B, test NG, test next generation. Next, is there any authorized Selenium certification? No. Say, sorry, no authorized or you can say valid certification for Selenium. Nowadays, some training centers, some websites are claiming or promoting Selenium certifications. All are invalid. Why? Selenium is an open source test tool. Here, no valid certification. Just a minute. Go to Selenium official website, selenium.dev. Here, certification training. Just a minute. There is no officially recognized Selenium certification available, and the project developers strongly believe that certification is of no real benefit to individuals or the industry. We have not authorized anyone to offer official Selenium certification, and anyone who claims to offer it is misusing the Selenium project trademark. So, Selenium doesn't have authorized certification. You no need to focus on certification, just to learn Selenium, practice Selenium enough.